Gang, we are so back. We are so unbelievably back. It's been a year since the last Vivid event, and we are so back for Vivid 2026. The itinerary is a bit more stacked this year. Let's take you back to somewhere we've been before. Hey, I was only a minute late, alright? Ice cream and Friday. Alright guys, we're taking a ferry. This is a bad ferry. Is it? Because it's early and we don't want dinner, we're going back to McMahon's Point. McMahon's Point is somewhere I've never gotten off there before. We're going to be here waiting for the lights to turn on.
You know why I said cafe? Because you know when we were like us three, when we were waiting for thing, we felt like there's nothing wrong with it.
Yeah, after I said surf and turf.
I just said it, so it's like steak.
Oh! Hey, we got it! That was pretty cool. McMahon's Point is a good choice. We're here at a Japanese restaurant eating some noodles, courtesy of Richard.
Oh, this is awesome.
Yeah. Back at town hall, we're going to go straight back
sad
to
and disappointed prototype. He didn't want to go.
Yeah.
Alright, hang on, 3, 2, 1. Oh! You okay? You okay? You good? You see that?
I think, gang, I think I went.
Was that caught on the camera? I can't tell.
I think I went straight down.
So cool.
Alright, now that
Yeah,
we're
so-
at.
So what we can do is we can skip all this section, right? And come back after the fireworks show, right?
Basically, what Rich is trying to say in his boring voiceover is that we need to make the fireworks show at 9:30 at Darling Harbour, but we're right now in Circular Quay at 8:30. So we have essentially an hour to see most of the light displays between Circular Quay and Darling Harbour. So without further ado, let the light show begin. I've actually already been here before. Editor, play the clip of that. Right, I don't know if this will make it into the final video, but we're here in Vivid Sydney. This is going to be the actual Vivid Sydney video, but it's torrential pouring right now. Oh, it's not even that bad. But, look, we got this bottle here. Welcome to Sydney, where the story begins. Anyway, this will be pretty cool to include in the video, except for the fact that I'm getting drenched right now. They put something in Pier Pavilion. Wait, is it interactive?
Jan, let's keep
Probably. What is Diddy doing? What are you doing, right?
I mean, something's happening. Holy Minecraft.
Yeah.
That's nice to know.
So look, I didn't even know why Oscar woke me up tonight. Like,
Why did I give this guy a mic? Also, sorry if this video is a bit different from last year's Vivid Sydney video. I really tried to include some other cool stuff that we got to see this year that we did get to see last year, such as the fireworks show that we're about to see. Also, a quick epilepsy warning. There are like a lot of flashing lights during the fireworks show, so if you have epilepsy, it's best to just not watch the rest of the video. If that's cool, thank you very much. But we are at Darling Harbour at 9:30 in time for the fireworks show, so it is
firework time. Touch your runs.
Oh. Look at them screaming. So childish. Oh, fire! Ah.
You'll be sending me all the videos, yeah?
Yeah. This music.
Oh, something's happening.
All the lasers.
That's so cool.
Wait, Richard, should you hold it? Hold it. Up, you hold the bottom.
Yeah,
Yeah. Just film. Yeah. Yeah.
Pitch down slightly. Yeah, so cool. By the way, if it's out of frame, it's not my fault.
Alright. Thank you.
All yours. Yo, look at that. Yo, look at that. It's so cool. What?
Lasers.
Look at that fire thingy, the sparklers. That's so cool.
Oh.
Whoa, that's gonna blind me.
I don't think it'll reach us.
Those people on that bus are so lucky.
Yeah.
Whoa.
I'm sure that bus drove.
Quite fun.
So yeah.
And pitch up. And pitch up. Pitch up.
has just started raining.
Wow, that's so cool. You can like feel each one.
It's raining.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. It's raining, yeah. Small bit. Feel the fireworks in your heart, bro. You can feel the
Oh,
vibrations.
the explosion at the end are crazy.
Yeah. Wait.
Alright guys, I'll hold it up a bit more, face it up, like, yep. Oh, well, guys, this is our Alex cameraman part for the vid, because I
Okay,
kind
so
of
just I just want to say that Alex is a horrible cameraman. Look how shaky he is, like he can't even hold it properly. Like,
Richard, say your last thing, say your last
okay.
one.
Anyways, yeah, that's it. This is Richard, your best voiceover guy, and signing out. Yeah.
Alright, back to me. That's a wrap of Vivid City 2026. My mic ran out of battery. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video or the Vivid City 2027 video. Maybe, hopefully. See you guys next time. Now you can do it.